Why your walls are killing your students' best ideas. The high-stakes evolution of classroom whiteboard walls. What if the biggest barrier to your students' ideas is the wall right in front of them? For decades, learning has been confined to a small rectangle, forcing big ideas into tiny spaces. When space runs out, thinking just stops. Students erase, lose context, and break their flow. But what if there were no limits? Welcome to the era of boundless learning, where walls become full-scale idea spaces. With full whiteboard walls, students don't just sit and listen, they move, think, and create together. In fact, classrooms using these surfaces see up to 60% more participation. Learning becomes 360 degrees, not just from the front of the room, but everywhere. And unlike chalkboards, there's no dust, protecting both students and classroom technology. This isn't just a new tool, it's a new way of thinking. Stop teaching inside the frame. Start thinking beyond the wall. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.